Buenas and welcome to Three Brothers Roofing Company. Today we are in West Orange with another slate roof leak repair. So we have water leaking on this along this valley. So the beginning of the project, remove the existing aluminum capping that's going along the hip, and we will remove all the old tile, and we will remove the old flashing, and we will do all the repairs if needed, replace any wood if needed, and then we will install eye shield and new copper. In the meantime, we have to replace the bathroom vent pipe coil flashing. All right, so Three Brothers Roofing ongoing with the slate roof leak repair project, and we will gonna do general checkup the whole slate roof. Three Brothers Roofing on residential slate roof leak repair project. So we start removing the slate tiles, and what we see, what they did it, they installed copper, but over the flashing cement. And let's, for instance, let's say any wall will come here, it will go under the copper, and we can see right here we have big crack opening, and that's why it's leaking. And the owner says she fixed it 15 years ago, and it's continue on leaking. So I give a suggestion to her. We will remove the tiles and remove the whatever is on the valley, and that's exactly what we are doing right here. So we will provide the best solution. All right, so but this is wrong, no good. Any water it's getting here, and they install nail right here on the valley. We have crack right here, nail, and this is the valley. And as we all know, on the valley usually it's a lot of water will run. So wrong, no good. We will remove the old flashing around the pipe, and we will install a new one. So at this point now we are working along the valley. So at this point we finish removing all the tiles along the valley, and while we remove the tiles, so we find this big evidence. The copper, no good. The copper is over life. So we can see right here, and it's going. So what they did, they just implemented flashing cement over the copper, and they installed the tiles. So no good, as we see right here too. So basic, the copper, it's over life. All right, so we will take care of that. And as we're going on the valley, we start removing all the material, and we find the copper over life, no good. And we see big crack over there, right here too, right on the valley. So Three Brothers Roofing provides solution and experience. All right, so this is how it looks. So from here we can see all the damage is on the copper. Okay, so at this point now we are making our new template, the copper. So basically we have the big crack right here. So now we're gonna implement the copper that way, of course with a new piece. Okay, so it will go over the tile and it will sit right on the valley, but before that we will do some ice shield and the solution, so it will be like built in one piece. All right, so that's how it looks. And the tiles, it will end somewhere over here, so this section will be exposed. So at this point now we install the ice shield. All right, so as we see now, the ice shield went all the way under the old tiles and in one single piece came up over the tiles, and the copper will be the same way. The solution. So this is how it looks, our ice shield. So at this point we did all the ice shield installation along the valley, and we installed the first piece of copper, and now we are going with the second piece of copper. All right, so this is the second piece and fits perfect. It's going all the way up to the roof, and we made like a little bend. It will go over the ridge along, so it's no way water will get in 100%. So this is how it looks, our new copper along the valley. All right, experience and solution, Three Brothers Roofing, ongoing with the project of Slate roof leak repair. So this is how our copper looks from different angles. So at this point now we have our ice shield and copper, and now the beginning of the tile installation. All right, so this is how it looks, our valley. And we are on continue with our Slate roof leak repair on the valley. And as I mentioned, we did our copper ice shield, and now we are ongoing with the slate replacement, and this is how it looks. All right, and we have to work around the bathroom vents pipe coil flashing. Three Brothers Roofing ongoing with the valley leak repair slate roof. Nice and clean slate roof valley. This is how it looks, nice and clean. The most important thing, no more leaking, 100%. We provide labor. Okay, so at this point now we are installing the cupping and with the other repairs needed. So this is how it looks, nice and clean, new copper on the valley. Okay, so this is our new valley with the new copper and ice shield, new tiles. We went all the way up, and we redid the bathroom vents pipe coil flashing. We went all the way up, and we did all the repairs, and now good to go. So this is how looks from this end. All right, so another project completed by a Three Brothers Roofing company, and we fix those pipe. We have more right here, and we redid we redid this one here. All right, and we did a lot of repairs on this slate roof. All right, see you guys next time. Chop chop.